What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Seth, your unemployed option trader, and I'm gonna be discussing the price action for S&P 500. The ticker symbol for it is SPX. All right, so I'm gonna be quickly doing a top-down approach from yearly, and I'm gonna be going down to daily and explain you what's going on here. And I am a demand and supply trader, and I have all the logics in the world to support whatever I'm saying. And let's go down. I don't see supply or demand zone here. I do see a demand zone here on quarterly, and this is called rally based rally. Then I'm going to go to monthly, and I have already marked a lot of stuff here. So this is rally base and rally, a demand zone right here, or you can mark it as drop based rally, whatever works out for you. And price has also created a supply zone which is called rally based drop. And let me tell you really quick, price has a tendency that price actually travels from one supply zone to another demand zone, from one demand zone to another supply zone, and that's how reaction comes, right? So it completed the supply zone in the month of September, as we can see here, September 1, 2022. This is monthly candle, and we can clearly see, right, that supply zones are created and they are being respected as well. I have a sour throat, guys. I'm really sorry. Excuse me for this. And let's continue our top-down approach. So what happened here is a supply zone is created, and while going further down, it actually touched the candle here, this candle, which is a part of the demand zone right here, and it went up. And while going up, it went and hit the newly created supply zone, which is a good, decent supply zone. And that's why price is reacting. So basically, if a price is reacting from monthly supply zone, only monthly demand zone can hold it, or a weekly good weekly demand zone can hold it. This is my experience of trading, right? Daily demand zone cannot hold it, right? Absorption of sellers can happen there. So I'm going to go further down, and I'm going to quickly repeat that price while going up has hit a major supply monthly supply zone. That's why price is reacting. So now to stop it, we need to have a weekly minimum weekly demand zone to have that bounce. And on weekly, we can clearly see that the price is in downtrend, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, clearly, right? And then the only weekly demand zone which is not that great, to be honest, but to give bounce, right? This is a weekly demand zone which is called rally based rally. And then there is another proper demand zone, the lower, the origin of this move. That is where price traveled from 3491 almost to 4000, right? So this is the origin. This will definitely work, but yeah, just to hold this fall, I think the good enough level would be this daily demand zone. What will happen on daily is also in downtrend. My system is a bit slow. It's not a downtrend, my bad. It's an uptrend. So what will happen here is this is a daily demand zone drop based rally, and this is also a pivot here. So basically, these levels, these are not that great. These levels are actually absorbing sellers. So if price breaks this 3905 level, there's nothing to stop price. I think price might be stopped here at 3858 level. After that, it's going to come to 3700 levels. It is as simple as that, right? So why am I analyzing SPX? I am analyzing SPX because if in stocks we are planning to go long, you cannot, challenge the index and go against the index, because right now it's uptrend, right, on daily. But on weekly, we saw there's a complete cut downtrend. So there are logics attached to it, and I have complete knowledge about what I'm saying, right? In uptrend in daily, we can, of course, if price didn't hit monthly supply zone, we could have gone long, right here, not here, right here for sure, right? This level looks nice, uh, but the problem is price went into monthly supply zone right here, right? And then inside monthly, it actually hit weekly supply. So basically, it's carrying the pending orders of month and week. So how can a poor daily supply zone stop this? This is nothing. This is not even great. This is nothing as compared to this. This is an okay demand zone, right? These levels are crucial, especially this. That's going to prevent the fall. And then this level for me, 3784 or 81, and then 3750 levels are nice to hold the supply. And we'll see how the candles are. You cannot judge anything, right? Because fresh buying and selling cannot be prevented, cannot be stopped. So we'll see how price is coming, if price is coming with big red candles or small candles. We'll see. But for now, these are the levels that can for now stop the fall. And there's another, these green boxes are actually weekly demand. That's why I'm not going on daily, because daily would definitely be broken, because pending orders are coming from monthly and weekly supply zones. So if this is broken, which should be broken, honestly, is going to go down. Let me confirm the date here, December 11, 2022. It's 6:15:16 Vancouver timing. And important levels are these boxes right here, 3780, and let's go 3745. This is a crucial level, right? And let's see what's going here. Markets are going red, minus 60. You can see futures are already red. Hopefully, excuse me, I have a sour throat. Hopefully, whatever I'm saying makes sense. And if in case you guys are not able to understand the logics, you can, leave your query at the email which is being dropped in the comments below or in the description box below. You can, leave your query there and I'll get back to you. And price action needs to be understood thoroughly, right? You cannot just understand price action in a class or in a webinar, 1 hour webinar. So this is crucial, right? And let me tell you one thing. I am long here and I'm trailing Tesla. This is not the topic of discussion here. I'm just trailing Tesla. I caught it at 170.50, and I am trailing it at a demand zone at 176.50. And my targets were, of course, selling zone, supply zone, which is 190. Now, the question is, I am holding it, but the futures are red, so Tesla should be red, right? And most of the people they sold at 180, 182 levels, but I didn't sell. So let's see what happens. Price action for Tesla is again, sorry, Tesla is again, very important because it's in downtrend again. It's trying to change the trend, if you can see. But if index supports, then only. Look at this. This is complete downtrend, lower high, lower low, right? Lower high, lower low. But this time, what happens here is it didn't create a low. It created a lower high, right? And I'm expecting it. I am still expecting it to go up till 190, but in the middle of all this, hopefully it doesn't catch my stop. So let's see what happens. And SPX is the index which needs to be analyzed every day. All right, guys, if you like the video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel, The Unemployed Option Trader. And very soon I'll be analyzing Apple, SPY, Bank of America, AMC, DVN. There are lots of stocks that's going to give us up moves. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and do press the bell icon, and we will be trading logical trades and not gambling in the market. All right, then take care, have a good night, and don't gamble in the market. Take care. Bye bye.